Before we begin, I need to tell you something. In this video, you won't see any visuals, and that's on purpose. Because I don't want you to just watch, I want you to imagine. So close your eyes, listen to my voice, and let your mind paint the world exactly as I describe it. Ready? Let's begin. Imagine this: a world where humans never need to pee. Never need to poop. Not once, not ever. No toilets, no bathrooms, no sewage. What would that world look like? Let's dive into a reality with zero human waste. First, think about water. Every single day, billions of liters of clean drinking water are flushed away through toilets. In a no-waste world, that water would be saved. Enough to end droughts, feed crops, and give every community on Earth clean drinking water. Cities, rivers, oceans, and forests would stay crystal clear. No sewage pipes dumping into the sea, no waste polluting the soil. Imagine beaches with water so pure you could drink it, and forests that never smell of decay or filth. No one would even know what a toilet is. No bathrooms in houses, no public restrooms, no awkward restroom lines. Toilet air fresheners? Never invented. Toilet paper? Doesn't exist. Pampers for babies? No parent would ever need to change one. Bathroom fittings, commodes, cleaners, disinfectants? Gone. Entire industries worth trillions of dollars, simply unnecessary. Imagine how differently our homes, schools, and skyscrapers would be designed, with no need for plumbing or sewage systems. Life would feel lighter. No embarrassing bathroom breaks, no unpleasant smells, no diapers, no accidents. People wouldn't even know what pee or poop smells like. Fart jokes? They wouldn't exist, because there'd be no gas buildup, no release. Travel would be transformed. Long train rides, endless road trips, intercontinental flights, all without bathrooms. An airplane could fly non-stop for days, and passengers would be perfectly fine. Space travel would be revolutionized, too. Astronauts wouldn't need complex waste recycling systems. They could explore Mars without worrying about, well, the toilet. And then there's health. Diseases like diarrhea, cholera, and infections caused by contaminated water, gone forever. Millions of lives saved, especially in places where poor sanitation spreads sickness. The entire field of sanitation medicine wouldn't exist because there would be nothing to sanitize. Now picture the economy. No companies making toilet paper, no factories producing bathroom cleaners, no plumbers fixing pipes, no sewage treatment plants burning billions of dollars. Supermarkets would never stock diapers or cleaning sprays. Parents wouldn't need to spend thousands on baby nappies. At the same time, industries tied to plumbing, construction, and cleaning would never exist, which means trillions of dollars could be redirected into other technologies, space exploration, renewable energy, or medical innovation. The money saved on sanitation alone could transform our future. So, in a world without pee or poop, the Earth would be cleaner, the economy would be different, and daily life would be strangely simple. But here's the twist. Without waste, our bodies would need to be perfect recycling machine. Thanks for exploring this imaginary world with me. If you enjoyed this journey, the next one is going to be even wilder. So come along, hit subscribe, and let's step into the next impossible world together.